In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Buddy Punch to QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have these two tools talking to each other so time data flows directly into your accounting, reducing manual entry and errors. First, in QuickBooks Online, go to the search bar at the very top of your screen. Click once to activate it, type My Integrations, and select the matching result. This takes you to the area where all app connections are managed. If you're following along in a different layout, look for the same term using the top search. The path is the same, and the wording may vary slightly, but you're aiming for the Integrations section within QuickBooks Online. Inside My Integrations, move over to the Find Integrations tab. This tab is designed specifically to help you discover and add new apps to QuickBooks. In the search field there, type Buddy Punch and choose it from the list that appears. Make sure you pick the official Buddy Punch app so you get the most reliable connection. You'll land on the Buddy Punch app page. Take a moment to review the details and the benefits highlighted here. You'll see what data is shared, how the connection improves your workflow, and any notes from the developer. It's a good idea to skim through the overview and any listed features so you know exactly what to expect and that it aligns with your needs. When you're ready, click Get App Now in the top right corner. This begins the authentication process and connects Buddy Punch to your QuickBooks Online company. Follow the prompts on screen. You may be asked to confirm the company you're connecting, sign in if you're not already, and approve the permissions that allow the two systems to share data securely. If something doesn't load, quickly check that your browser allows pop-ups and that you have admin access in QuickBooks Online, as those can affect the connection flow. Once confirmed, QuickBooks finalizes the link, and you're done. You've connected Buddy Punch to QuickBooks Online, and the integration is ready to use. If you ever need to revisit it, you can return to My Integrations to view or manage the connection. That's all. Simple, secure, and ready to streamline your time tracking and accounting starting today.